Today we're cooking one of the ultimate comfort dishes, braised lamb shanks. Start by seasoning your shanks generously with salt and pepper. Sear the lamb shanks in a large pan. This is called sealing. This caramelization adds incredible depth to the dish. Meanwhile, in a separate pot, start making the sauce. Onions, garlic, carrots. Once browned, remove the shanks and place in the sauce, making sure the shanks are covered with liquid. Feel free to deglaze the pan you're searing the shanks in. Cover and put into the oven at 180 degrees. Braise for 2 hours. Check to make sure the liquid doesn't get too low. If it does, add more stock. Back into the oven. Once shanks are tender, remove and reduce sauce. Aim to get the flavour balance and thicken using a slurry if needed. Serve on a warm plate with the peel off and braised cabbage. Let's get to work.